Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to build a very simple lead magnet funnel with DexCliks. To get started, go to DexCliks.com. On the website, just on your right, you'll see the blue button with the try it free text. Click on that button to get started. Now you'll be brought to a page where you can pick what type of project you'd like to work on. So do you want to build a funnel, a landing page, or an online store? In this case, we're building a lead magnet funnel, so you're going to have to click on the build funnel option. Once you click on the build funnel option, you'll be redirected to a theme page. Here you can choose the theme or a template that you can start working with. So we're going to be using a lead magnet template for this tutorial. So I'm going to just pick any simple one to show you how to basically use this platform to build your own lead magnet funnel. So you can view the templates that we have to see if it suits your needs, what you really want to work on. You can view what it looks like on a desktop, what it looks like on a tablet, what it looks like on a mobile phone. So I'm just going to pick one simple one to get started with. The next step is to create an account to get started. If you've already created an account, all you need to do is just click login, text link there, log in with your details. And now once you've successfully created a new account or logged into your account, you'll be asked to give your website a title. So you could just choose any title that works for you. Once you've given your website or your funnel a name, you'll be taken into the DexCliks Builder. Now, inside the builder, you'll be shown a demo video, which basically shows you how to use DexCliks. Use the DexCliks Builder. Now, you can watch that if you want to learn how to use the specific features of the builder. For this tutorial, I'm only going to show you the two features that you need to build your lead magnet funnel, which is the builder itself and the emails and automations features. For other features, I'd advise that you watch the full demo, which is this video here, to get the most out of the platform or to learn how to use the platform quickly. The DexCliks Builder is pretty easy to use. So it's a simple drag and drop system. You can just drag whatever you want, move it around. You don't need to create any line of code to use it. It's quite easy. If you want to change the text, you just double click on the text to change it. Change the font size, change the color. If you want to move things around, so if I want to take this above the text there, I just have to move it there. If I want to move it back, have to do the same. I could adjust and change the background. To change the background, just scroll up to where you have block here, click on that, and just remove the image that's there, and then just add your own image. So you can add your own image by dragging any image from your computer. Once you've successfully uploaded the image, click on it and then click select to change the background of your container or your blog. If I want to change the background for this, I'll take my mouse over the left top side of the column. You will see the blue column settings there. Click on that. You see background color. Change that to whatever background color that I want to work with. Just do, if I want a border, there's already a border there. If I want to change the color of the border of that column, just come here and do that. So it's a pretty simple system. If I want to change the background of this text here, I just have to double click it, go to background color and change it to any color that I want to work with. And yeah, that's done. The most important thing when it comes to lead magnet funnel are the fields. A lead magnet opt-in page or landing page has to be very simple, especially if it's a free ebook or a free guide or a report. So you don't need to have too much information on that, because the goal is to convert lead instantly. So the main thing that you need to have is an attention grabbing headline, which basically tells the visitor what to expect, what they're going to get, what the ebook is about. So it could be the title of your ebook or your guide, and then have a subheadline which further explains what the freebie is about. And then here, sort of like a short instruction on what they should do next. So enter your details below to get your ebook. Now, when you're creating a landing page for a lead magnet to convert leads, make sure that you only have two fields, one for the name and the other for their email address. Nothing more. Don't add any other thing, because if you have too many fields, if you're asking them to do too many things, they may drop out at this point. So that's the first most important thing you need to note. Now, the other thing is the emails automation. So what you need to be able to deliver what you're signing up for on this page by email or on a thank you page, and you can access the thank you page either by clicking on the arrow here or going to your funnel settings. Because you're working with a template, a template already has the next step. Well, if you were starting from scratch, you have to be creating your next step from here. So you just click on the add new step, choose page or pop up, whatever you want. So if we're choosing, let's say, page, I would naturally go for a thank you page to use as my next step. So I'll click on thank you page, wait for it to load so I can look at the designs that are already there, and I'll just pick the one that I want to work with. But because we're already working with the templates, it's been added. So you just have to come here and view what the next step is. And the next step is basically a thank you page, and with a button where they can click and get their freebie instantly. You could do the same thing if you want to change the background of these fields. You could do it over here, just change it to what you want. You can also come here and change this background if you want to work with a different background. So it's quite easy to use. The other important thing when it comes to a lead magnet funnel is your follow ups, so your autoresponder. So first of all, from the form, you need your opt-in page to automatically add the contact details that they generate or they capture on this page to your CRM, that's your contact platform. So this is how you can achieve that from DexCliks. So click on the form field. You can click on anywhere as long as it's within the form, and then just click on edit fields. This is where you can add other fields. But for this particular funnel, you don't need to have any other fields. These two fields are okay. But now we want to link this form to your contact so that you can create autoresponders and you can create email sequence that you can send automated emails to everyone that's been captured on this page, so your new leads. Click on the form fields again and then click on edit settings. Right here, you can choose a name for your form. This is where you can edit, the message for your CTA button. So you could say, change that from free report to free ebook, just to show you how it works. And yeah, it's been changed here. Let's go back to the edit settings. It gives you the option to show them a thank you message or take them to a page. In this case, we want to take them to the next step of your funnel, which is the download page. If you're showing a thank you message, this is what they're getting, just a thank you. But if you want to take them to the next step, say your thank you page where they can download the freebie instantly, we change that to go to page. Now, once you do that, you have this option, the thank you page. Click on it to link it, and then you could either leave your next funnel step if you're sure that your next funnel step is your thank you page or your download page, or if you're not sure, you could just click on that and select it manually. So I have selected download page and then scroll down, select to add that. So it's been added. Now we want to connect them to our email marketing system so that everyone we capture on this page will be added to our email system. So I'll scroll down to where it says connect to email marketing, and I'll click on the blue select list button. Now, if you already have a list, if you already created your list before doing this, you have your list here, right here. You can just choose one. Or if you don't already have your list, you can create that by clicking on the add list. So I'll just give you a name, test list, and click submit and confirm. So now everyone who signs up for these freebie will be added to the list I've just created called test list. You can enable double opt-in if you want. It's totally up to you. You can tag your contacts if you want to have a special tag. So for instance, I can tag them by the name of the freebie they're getting, because it's easier to sell to a specific audience when you know what they're interested in. So in this case, this audience were interested in this particular ebook. So I could just give them the tag ebook, so that whenever I'm creating email marketing campaigns that's targeted to people who are interested in the topic that I created the ebook on, I'll know exactly who I want to send the email messages to. So once that's done, save. Next thing is to save. And then let's go into our emails and automations section. Make sure that we have created the email automations or created email autoresponders for them. So you click on the email and automations, check the list first to confirm that the list that we created has been captured in our email system. So you click on list and subscribers, then go to list, and there it is, our test list. So it's right here. Now, when people start signing up for the freebie, they'll be added to this particular list. Now, let's go back to the dashboard of our email and automation section. So to set up autoresponders, you come to automations, click on automations. The campaigns features is just for one-off campaigns. So if you want to send one-off emails every now and then, or want to schedule emails that you want to send to your audience, let's say tomorrow or in 2 weeks' time, you use the campaigns option. But if you're creating autoresponders so that your funnel, lead magnet funnel, can run on its own, so you're building an evergreen lead magnet funnel, so you use the automations part of it. So to get started, you just have to click create automations, name your automations. I'm going to use test just for this tutorial. Wait for it to load, and here click to edit your automation trigger. So the point is you have to tell the system who you want them to trigger a particular message for. So in this case, I want to add a new trigger for those who have been added to the list that I just created, which is the test list. I think I was a bit fast when I did that, so I'm going to repeat that. Click on the add new trigger button, then go to add it to a list, click on that, click select your list and choose the list that you want to add, confirm. So I've done that. It shows you one list has been selected. And you go back to your automation flow page. Now we've told the system that we want a message to be sent to people who have been added to the list. Now we want to create the message. So you click on the plus button, scroll down to send email, we'll click that. Create your subject, email subject line, create the sender name, input the email that you want to use to send the email to them, then click start building. Once you click start building, you'll be redirected to the page where you can choose a template. You can either choose one of the pre-made templates to work with, or you start from scratch. Select start now, and then you're inside the email and automations builder. The email and automations builder works just like the funnel builder. So it's also a drag and drop system. Just drag and drop whatever you want to work with, and then you edit. And that's it. Once you've edited, once you've done everything, you press save, and then come back to your automations flow page, click save, and then turn it on for it to start working. So I'm going to work now because we haven't done anything. I haven't done anything. This is just for the tutorials. But once you've set up your emails, if you want to send more than one email, if you want to send multiple emails, you just come here, click on the plus button, add a delay, just to tell you the system that you want to send the next set of emails after, say, 1 day or 2 days. So the system will time it for you. Before you set up another email, you add a delay in between. So that's how it works. All right, so let's preview this and let's try adding a new contact to see if our email system captures it. So to preview it, you can come here where you have the link, click on your link. It will open in a new tab and you can preview what your opt-in page looks like. So let's just do a quick test here. We see. And then we click download and I'll be redirected to the next step where I can download this. That's it. Now let's go into the email system to see if my email has been captured. So I'll click on emails and automations. You can see over here it says 1 subscriber, so obviously it's been captured, but we still want to be sure that it was my email that was captured. So I'll click on list and subscribers. My email is right here under all subscribers, but I want to see the list as well to see if it's in the test list. So here we have 1 subscriber in the test list, but let's make sure it's mine. So there it is, test list, 1 subscriber, and it's Lucy. So that actually works. One thing that I forgot to show you was how to add your freebie to the download page. So when they click to download now, they get whatever they are signing up for. So to do that, come here, click on the button, click edit. Right here it says open on click. So you click on that space, come down to file and upload your file. So you just upload your file from your system and that will be added to when they click on the download button, they'll get the freebie that they signed up for. So with DexCliks, everything is done within. You don't need other platforms to set up your funnel. You can do everything inside the DexCliks Builder. So you can move from one page to another. Also, let's check the contact section to see if my contact has been captured. So you can see, yeah, it's right here. So everything is done in one place with DexCliks. So that's exactly how to build a lead magnet funnel on DexCliks.